Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of qChronolyze. Now, if you are someone who's an academician or for whatever reason interested in knowing at what point in the course of the development of Quran, certain words or combinations of words, certain topics start getting introduced, or you want to compare multiple such words or combinations of words, you might find this program useful. Now, if you're interested in the accuracy of this program, the data of the words are taken from corpusquran.com, and the chronology follows the Ibn Abbas account. And you might need to know, you actually can query this program in Arabic or in backward transliteration. Now, let's actually see. And another thing I should mention is that the best thing about it is that if you disagree with the actual traditional net account of chronology of verses, you can modify it uh, in simply or in advanced mode. Okay, now let's see some demonstrations. We're opening a Colab notebook for demonstrating purpose. Okay, you're going to have the instructions inside this notebook for each demonstration. So first we need to set up. The first demonstration will show us these two words, Isa and Musa. They're going to compare when they actually start appearing in Quran. So if we run the script for this program, first they're going to ask some configurations. We're going to use the default configurations, which is plot presentation, plot style presentation, and tafsir language should be English, and output language is Arabic scheme. Not language actually, output scheme, right? And next, once we enter the configuration, they're going to take the query and return the actual plot. We can see it in full screen. Now, there are some limitations showing you, but I'm going to try to show more of my screen. Okay, so we had two queries, Musa. You can view that with them one at a time. Musa blue and Isa red. So if you can notice some patterns, Musa starts appearing earlier. This is earlier, and this is later. So Musa starts appearing earlier. These verses, you can see which verse this start appearing. Verse, sorry, I didn't mean to show you right now, but okay. I clicked on something I didn't mean to click. Okay, 255 Musa. In 253, 252, 253, we have Isa. So like this, you can see it in which verse they appear. You can read the verse, or you can read the actual tafsir to know more about these verses. Now, next example we're going to see is the same in table format. Green is Musa, red is Isa. I'm not going to click it to run it now. You can try it. Next is we're going to see interactive, which is easier. If you want to enter the query interactively, we're going to see Kahin, root of Kahin, KHN, with Majnun, root is JNN. You can actually change what type of string you're looking for, root, stem, lemma, English, or all, right? The default is all. So I'm going to put that. You can change it to root or keep it in all. There are other options, but I'm not going to use them right now. So we enter our query, and there's only one occurrence of these two together. Kahin and Jin. One occurrence of them together. Kahin and Majnun. Yeah. Next, we can, this one's a little bit more advanced. Words that occur less than 6 times in the Quran. So many queries needs the sidebar, scroll bar. Uh, I entered Arabic for some reason in the query. So names all appear in Arabic. And you can see some of them appear only once. Some of them, like this one, a few times, quite a few times. So let's see some of these words. Last of this is Uzair, which is a person's name. We have Hunan, it's a place name. Kaaba, place name. Toponym, there is Makkah, Juma, Ahmed, person's name. Jews, which is Magians, a religious group, community. And this way, I think we have Jahiliya, right? And what is this? Muhammad, right? Muhammad appears 4 times. It appears towards the end of the Quran. It is towards the end. Um, we also have words like Lat, Uzza, Manas. Okay, enough of that. Next demo is Firaun and Taga. Taga is, I think, what is it? Transgression. Firaun, transgression. These two topics, and this time we're going to look at them not necessarily in the same verse, but 50 words of each other. We want to see occurrence of Firaun and Taga which occur within 50 words of each other. That's what we're going to it's going to show. So in if you want to know some words when they start appearing in the same context, this functionality will be useful. So you can see 89 and 81, 18, 11 and 81, 10. In 8110, we have Firaun but not Taqwa. In 8911, we have Taqwa but not Firaun. But since they occur within 50 words of each other, the program shows them to you. Now, aggregate search is nothing. It's the same thing, but I have created a long list of queries which are related to each other. For example, angels and Salah and things like that. You can actually uncomment some of these to use them. But I'm going to see animals, right? We want to see animals and use animals that appear in the Quran. So these are the animals that appear in the Quran. We have ants, goats, camels, cows, snake. I used a filter string. So these are the filter strings, which are the default labels. You can actually change the labels uh, to your need. So let's see some of this, which are the least frequent animals. Mosquito. Mosquito, we have ape, monkey. We have spider, bee. Let's see if Cursor lion appears once towards the beginning, 75 or 51. Okay, forgot to. Okay, now you can save the results of these queries in a Markdown file and view them within Obsidian. You have to actually copy the data folder. You can use the data folder as a vault inside Obsidian and view the results. Compares we saved it in Sala. Yeah, Sala. And in Obsidian, actual verses will appear. Now it's in code form. These are in serial. And you can also see the queries that actually are associated with the verse. Okay. And lastly, we're going to show you actual, if you want to change the order of surahs, you can alt arrow key, move them around. And the some of the exceptions within the surahs, that is some verses which actually didn't appear at the same time as the other verses, but later on or earlier. So these verses you can modify them as well, or even you can actually go even more advanced and change individual verses. That is, move around the individual verses like 96.1 after 96.2. You can do that too. That's how you can change that. And I hope you found this useful. Uh, I hope you have you know have fun with this program. Use your creativity. I hope you find it useful. Okay, thank you.